Hello everyone, this is Aruna Acharya from Housey. Well, today we are bringing to you the teaser of the Aravind Group's new launch, Aravind Greatlands Phase 3, located in Chapparkallu Main Road of IVC Road near Kempegowda International Airport in North Bangalore. Well, as you can see, right behind me is their sales office, and in this video you will get all the information like project overview, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discounts and offers. So without further ado, let us begin. So guys, let us start with the project overview. Well, this project is spread across 70 acres of land with 1200, 1500, 1800, 2400 and 3000 plus square feet premium villa projects. Well, this entire project has 430 plus villa plots. Now let's talk about the location. As you can see, I am here at the actual location, actual site. This is how it looks. You can look around the neighborhood. We have a vast area, of course. It is 70 acres in total, so it's a vast area of land. So as I mentioned, we are here at the Chapparkallu Main Road of IVC Road near the Kempegowda International Airport in North Bangalore. Well, Kempegowda International Airport, the new upcoming metro station near the airport, the new upcoming Forum Mall and the Prestige Tech Park are just 10 minutes drive from here. Now let's talk about the amenities. Well, 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities are planned for this project. That includes 10 acres of golf, lavish clubhouse, the adventure garden, the senior citizen park, basketball court, volleyball court, swimming pool, gymnasium and what not. The list goes on, guys.
Let us now look at the configurations and areas available in this project. As said, project has 1200, 1500, 1800, 2400 and 3000 plus square feet premium villa plots. For pricing, brochures and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description.
Now let us talk about the booking process. Well, the booking window for this project is now open. Clients can come and visit the site, and the sales team here will give you the complete project overview and all details about pricing and other plans. If you like this project, then you can also go ahead with the EOI token. Well, the EOI token depends on the different configuration. For example, the 1200 square feet will have the EOI token amount of 2 lakhs. 1500 square feet will have 3 lakhs. 1800 square feet will have 4 lakhs. And 2400 square feet will have 5 lakhs. Also, the EOI token holders will get some exclusive benefits like you will get extra discount, additional discounts compared to other clients. Apart from that, at the time of launch, you will get the preference to choose the flat of your choice. Oh my god, guys, that is a power to hold you shouldn't be missing out on. So guys, this was the teaser of the Aravind Group new launch, Aravind Greatlands Phase 3, located in Chapparkallu Main Road of IVC Road near Kempegowda International Airport, North Bangalore. Well, if you want more information about the pricing, booking, brochure or any other information, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. And if you want to see more such teaser videos of new launches, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.